Let's finish our ABCs today. First, this is how you write an uppercase U. And this is how you write a lowercase u. U is for your urchin, Uranus, unicorn, and umbrella. This is how you write an uppercase V. And this is how you write a lowercase v. V is for velociraptor, vulture, vacuum, and Venus. This is how you write an uppercase W. And this is how you write a lowercase w. W is for watermelon, whale, wolf, and walrus. This is how you write an uppercase X. And this is how you write a lowercase x. X is for X-ray fish, xylophone, and X-ray. I could only find 3 for X. Can you find other things for X? This is how you write an uppercase Y. And this is how you write a lowercase y. Y is for yo-yo, yak, yarn, and yellow. Now let's finish off with Z. This is how you write an uppercase Z. And this is how you write a lowercase z. Z is for zebra, zoo, zipper, and zero. Now you will read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you enjoy my ABC series and thank you for watching Easy Breezy Learning.